If you've been staring in the mirror, frustrated with blackheads that just won't go away, or breakouts that show up right when you need clear skin the most, I want you to know something. You are not broken. Your skin is not bad skin. It's just asking for a little patience and the right kind of care. Today, we're going to give it exactly that. Think of the next few minutes as a ritual, not a routine. A quiet space where we slow down and let your skin breathe, deep cleanse, and reset. By the end of this, your pores will feel lighter. Your skin will feel calm, and you'll have a simple system you can repeat again and again to keep your skin clear and balanced. No harsh scrubbing, no shortcuts, just gentle, effective care. Let's begin. Step 1. Steam and softening first, we prepare the skin. Warm steam for about 3 to 5 minutes gently opens the pores. Think of it like softening clay before you shape it. Steam loosens the buildup of oil and dirt sitting inside the pore, so nothing has to be forced out later. You'll feel the warmth settle into your cheeks and nose skin, turning slightly pink, slightly dewy. This step alone can make extractions so much gentler on the skin. Step 2. Deep cleansing oil. Melt now. A cleansing oil, massaged in slow circles. Watch how it melts into the makeup sebum and grime sitting on the surface, turning into a milky texture as water is added. Oil dissolves oil. That's the simple science here. It's how we clean deeply without stripping the skin's natural barrier. Massage for about 60 seconds. Let your fingertips glide, not scrub. Rinse with lukewarm water, and already the skin feels lighter. Step 3. Gentle blackhead extraction. This is the part we've been waiting for. Using gentle pressure, never force, we clear the softened blackheads around the nose, the chin, the forehead. Notice how, after the steam and oil cleanse, they release so much easier. No redness, no trauma to the skin. If something doesn't come out easily, we leave it. Forcing extractions causes scarring, and that's never worth it. We move slowly, area by area, and when we're done, the skin is wiped clean with a soft, damp cloth. Step 4. Purifying clay mask. Next, a clay mask. Kaolin or bentonite applied in an even layer. Clay works like a magnet, drawing out excess oil and impurities from the pores we just cleared while calming any inflammation. We let it sit for 10 minutes. Watch as it changes color, tightens, and begins to dry. This is your skin's chance to reset and rebalance. Rinse with cool water. Skin feels tightened, refreshed, calm. Step 5. Hydration and barrier repair. Finally, we restore what the skin needs most. Hydration. A few drops of niacinamide serum gently pressed into the skin. Niacinamide helps calm redness and regulate oil production over time. Then a ceramide-rich moisturizer sealed in with soft patting motions. Watch it absorb, skin looking calm, plump, and balanced. This step is what makes the whole ritual last. Safety and trust layer. A gentle reminder. Always patch test new products for 24 hours. Extraction should only be done on properly softened, ready blackheads. Never forced, never on active acne or open breakouts. If you have very sensitive or reactive skin, ease into these steps slowly and listen to what your skin tells you. Aftercare plus next day. Tip tonight, keep it simple. Moisturizer and rest. Tomorrow morning, don't skip sunscreen. Freshly cleared pores are more sensitive to sun, and protecting them helps prevent dark spots. Troubleshooting. If you notice small bumps in the first week or two, that may be purging, your skin adjusting to new actives. It usually settles within 2 to 4 weeks. If you feel tightness or irritation, that's a sign to pull back. Less is more, always. Lifestyle habits. Few small habits help this last. Change your pillowcase twice a week. Clean your phone screen daily, and try not to rest your hand on your face throughout the day. Small changes, big difference, out. Give this ritual 4 to 6 weeks, done once or twice a week, and your skin will thank you. Clear skin isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, patience, and care. You're doing great. And your skin is healing one gentle step at a time. Thank you for watching.